So YouTube is rolling out YouTube handles. I know at the moment you know that if you want to tag another YouTuber in your video, you can do that either in your video title or in your description. So for example, I have a video here that I did recently. If I needed to tag somebody like Mr. Who's the Boss or Mr. Beast, what I all need to do is to just come to the video details and maybe I just say at, for example, Mr. So once I type Mr., I'll have channels that have the same name that starts with Mr. So for example, I have Mr. Who's the Boss, Mr. Beast, Mr. Bean, Mr. Beast Gaming, Mr. Indian Hacker. So I will choose whom I want to tag at that very moment. So for example, if I want to tag Mr. Who's the Boss, I'll just click on it and it will bring that as a tag. Now, are handles the same as these tags? That is what we want to talk about in this video. Of course, they are not the same, all right? So YouTube released this, update a few days ago. And so first of all, if you have a custom URL, for example, you can search maybe youtube.com/CEO figure or / your channel name, of course. And so YouTube released an update that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers for you to create a custom URL. So for example, for me, mine is youtube.com/C/Duncan Kazungu. So if you search this on YouTube, it will lead you to my YouTube channel. All right, that helps me to memorize my link rather than just having all these characters, and I can't cram them. But then for this, it's short and clear. So if you have this custom URL, YouTube will be using it to create your handle. And this handle in this time round, it is not that you need to have 1,000 subscribers. That is one thing you need to know. So YouTube says it's going to roll out this soon. And so what is a YouTube handle? So a YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. Now, what this will do is that will help us know which channel is which. I know many people are creating fake channels in the name of big YouTubers. For example, if you search Mr. Beast, you might realize there are so many Mr. Beasts, channels. And so YouTube handles will be unique to each creator. Now, handles and channel URLs. Your new handle will become a part of your URL. So in case you have a personalized URL, that will automatically become your handle. So for example, for me, I have /Duncan Kazungu. So that /Duncan Kazungu, that will become my new handle on YouTube. So it will just combine. So for example, if your URL reads youtube.com/user123, so your handle will be at user123. That is the only difference they are bringing, but it will be linked to your original URL so that whenever somebody clicks on it, it is going to be redirected to your YouTube channel. So for example, for me, mine is /C/Duncan Kazungu. So this will automatically become my custom URL, which is now my handle. So things that you can do with the handle. So you will get noticed in shorts. Of course, when you have your short, it will be at, for example, Duncan Kazungu or at Mr. Beast or at your handle, of course. So it will be easier for you to be noticed on YouTube Shorts. Also, you will have a unique way to identify yourself, not only on Shorts, but also on other videos. For example, in titles, in tags, in description and all that. And this also will help us that people can tag us in their videos. Of course, that is already available because when you looked at this very video sample that I was showing you, I was able to tag Mr. Who's the Boss. So that is already available, but I'm hoping that they are going to make it even better. And you can also let others find you on YouTube. So instead of you sending them a whole URL and with so many characters and all that. You only need to send them your handle, and that handle will be redirecting to your YouTube channel. So it will help us cut that problem of copying the whole URL and sending them a long URL and all that. You'll just need to send them your handle, and that will sort out everything. You can also connect with others in the community tab. So when you are making your post in the community tab, you are able to use your handle so that your audience can easily find you. And so that is it. That is the new thing that is coming up on YouTube. Let's wait and see how important it will be to us. For me, I believe it is going to do two great things. Number one, it's going to avoid other people to create fake channels in your name. So we'll only have one Mr. Beast, one Mr. Who's the Boss, one CEO figure, and in case someone else creates another channel, then it will be easy to identify with that fake channel. Number two, what I believe is that it's going to help us avoid sending long URL. All we need to do is to send our very handle, and that will be easy. Just remember how you can send your handle for TikTok, your handle for Instagram, your handle for Twitter. It will be as easy as that, and we'll be also able to tag other creators on YouTube in our posts and even in our videos. I hope that this video has been great to you, and if that is the case, remember to hit that like button, because that will help us to reach out to more people. To watch the story of Penguins Zero, that video is here. To see if unlisting your old videos will save your channel, that video is here. My name is Duncan, this is CEO Figure, and I believe that I will see you in the next video. Peace.